Hello, my dear. Let's start our practice for vitality and flexibility with a cleansing exercise. We start with your feet about hip width apart so that it's comfortable for you. Keep your knees soft and relax your tailbone down. Now, gently raise your arms and bring them down to your dantian. Lift them up. Bring them down again. Repeat this 3 times for yourself. From here, place your right hand on your lower back. With the left arm, draw a semicircle towards your forehead. Now turn and reach your palm up towards the sky, looking up. Turn your palm towards your crown. Look forward and lower it through the midline. Switch hands at the level of your belly. Circle your right hand upward and stretch it towards the sky. Now slowly bring it down towards your center. Repeat this 4 times. As you circle your hand towards your head, imagine gathering all the good chi from that side of you. When you extend your palm towards the sky, you are touching and receiving the chi of the heavens. As the palm travels down your midline, you are cleansing your bones and system with fresh heavenly chi. Very good. We move on to the next sequence for more flexibility in your body. Spread your arms out like wings, lower them, and cross your wrists. Now bring them up from the belly area across the chest. Separate them at the level of your head. Sink down, circling your arms to cross the wrists. Lift gently and release your arms. Relax down. Repeat this 3 more times for yourself and really feel into the movement. Now, let's extend this movement. Take a wider stance, cross, and bring your arms up. Now shift your weight onto your right leg, keeping it bent. Gently stretch your left leg as you sink into the movement. Inhale deeply, cross your wrists, and come up. Long exhale, the hands move apart and you sink deeper into the movement. The whole body is in motion here. Notice what you can observe as you repeat this 6 more times at your own pace. Slowly and gently come back to your center. Let your arms hang at your side. For the next swinging exercise, turn to the left and swing your arms to the level of your head. Turn to the right and swing your arms there too. The breath goes slowly in and out. When you swing from left to right like a pendulum, engage your whole body in the movement. Don't lock your knees, hips, or shoulders. Instead, let them flow freely with the movement. Keep your knees soft as you shift weight and twist. Try not to overextend or lock the joints to strengthen and activate your muscles. The slower you move, the deeper your breathing goes, and the stronger your mind-body-soul connection becomes, which relaxes your nervous system even further. This is the exercise you may do for more concentration and alignment. It can also be very energizing as it increases your circulation and helps to release toxicity. This is your vitality booster that lifts your mood. Repeat this 5 times. Now return to the center. Draw the feet closer and finish with shoulder shrug. Pull your shoulders all the way up and release them to let go of any tension that has built up. Inhale, pull up. Exhale, let go and relax. If you feel awkward doing this in public, give yourself a smile. Embrace your weirdness and let it go with a sigh. And once again for yourself, do as you feel. Well done. Thank yourself for starting this year by taking time to deepen your mind-body-soul connection and moving forward, grounded, soft, and at home in your body. Thank you for being here today. See you next time.